What up, Juice World? This is Nomadic Juicer. Today, I want to talk about the power of fruits and give you 3 reasons why I think fruits kind of get separated from vegetables and put them on a higher category. So with that, let's jump into it. The first property that I want to talk about in regards to fruit is the astringency property. Now, when it comes to astringency, that means that fruits have the ability to cleanse at a very deep and almost cellular level. So fruits allow the movement of lymphatic fluids. It helps move stagnant lymph. It helps pull toxins from the cells. And it helps with just reestablishing that flow because there's 3 different flows of energy in the body. We have blood flow, nerve flow, and lymphatic flow. And so fruits have that ability and that astringency property that you just don't find in vegetables. So the next property that I want to talk about with fruits is flavonoids. So flavonoids are a phytonutrient compound that are found in fruits and in vegetables, but it is what gives the fruits and vegetables their vivid colors. So those deep reds, those deep purples, those deep greens, essentially. And flavonoids are very beneficial to the plant and as well as the animal and humans who consume them. Because flavonoids actually, it allows for the plant to have that vivid color, which helps attract the different insects such as bees in regards to pollination. So when that helps obviously bring the fruit to maturity, so that way humans and other animals within the animal kingdom can consume that fruit. But flavonoids are very beneficial to the human because it provides antioxidants, it provides anti-inflammation. And one thing I really just learned about this is that flavonoids really help move that blood flow into the brain. So there's a lot of cognitive benefits that come from the fruits themselves. And my mentor, Dr. Robert Morris, always talks about this, but now kind of reading up on it, I really understand where he's coming from when he makes these statements. Because the fruits have the ability to really regenerate and really help move your nervous system. And your nervous system is obviously what gives us the ability to move and react and to think. It's the electricity of the body. And that kind of leads me into my next point about fruits, is that if you look at it go to a little bit into physics and look at it from the electromagnetic energy standpoint, there's a word called angstroms, and fruits have about 12,000 angstroms, whereas vegetables have about 10,000 angstrom in their raw state, and that's for fruits included. And then the average human operates at about 6 to 7 angstrom. So in terms of energy, so that's why when you consume and you drink consume fruit and drink fruit juices, you feel that sense of energy. You feel that sense of vibration. Because personally, when I drink fruit juices, I just feel at a completely different level than I do when I drink the vegetable juices. And I'm not trying to knock vegetable juices; they have their place. I'm just saying, from an energetic standpoint, I just feel more energetic on the fruits. And if you're looking at it from a physics standpoint and looking at it at electromagnetism, fruits just have that higher source of vibrational energy. And so these three points I find are really beneficial, that kind of help you understand the power of fruits. There's obviously a lot more properties that can be talked about that kind of separate fruits from vegetables, but it gets pretty technical, and I just don't want to get into that right now at this moment. So with that, the 3 properties once again are the astringency property, which allows the fruits to help you clean your body out, clean your cells out, remove those toxins, and move that stagnant lymph. You have the flavonoid component, which gives the fruits that deep, rich color, which provides those antioxidants, which provides the anti-inflammatory properties, which provides the cognitive boost in the increase in the brain functionality because of the blood flow that's moving there, and just the ability that the fruits are able to feed the nervous system and get that energy moving in such a manner that it's productive to the human. And the last piece would be just the energetics of the fruit itself from an electromagnetic standpoint. When you look at the angstroms, which is a unit of measurement for electromagnetic energy. It's a lot to say in one word, but with that, I kind of want to just make this quick, short video, just talk a little bit about the fruits. And then my last piece is that I've been invited to work with this program. I'm a part of this ebook bundle. It starts this week. It starts today. It lasts until August 10th. I've made a video about it. I'm not the biggest marketer. I don't really push anything onto you guys, but I just find that this bundle has so much value. I've bought one of these bundles in the past before, which has really helped me on my journey to where I'm at now. And you'll be able to get 60 different books across a wide variety of subjects, including vegan, plant-based, detox guides, meditation, workout plans, grocery list, juice recipes. My book will be included, smoothies, and just a number of different aspects around just anything around health and fitness. And I think just where we're at in the world today, I think it's best to invest in yourself and to make it a priority to take care of yourself at the end of the day. I mean, we all kind of know what's going on in the world. And I think your health is becoming more and more important with each passing day. So with that, I want to just make that known. If you have any questions, just send me a DM about it. But it's 60 books for $50. It typically retails at about $1,300, but you'll be able to get it for 50 bucks for this 1 week only. So that's about 83 cents a book. So I think that's tremendous value. If you were to end up buying 2 of these books at retail price, it would pay for, the entirety of those 60 books. So you're basically paying, 2 books you buy and you get, another 58 for free essentially. So I think it's great value. I don't want to push it too hard, but with that being said, that is available this week. So let me know if you have any questions. But with that, I love you guys and be easy.